This is not a joke. This is a springtime winter storm. Hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
This is not funny. How much snow do you think we have? Well, just look at the patio. Yeah, I still got a sore throat. And we'll explain something about the camera a little bit here. Okay, we're doing this with the Kodak Placeboard right now. We're giving this a boost of charge with my Porter Pocket Power I got from Sandusky, Ohio, from a Cedar Point trip back in 2016. Blue light, fully charged. It's now charging the camera. I told you that's supposed to be. I just lost it right there because I nudged it. So I had the yellow light on. You just saw me because I actually nudged it. See, there's the yellow light right there. Now I gotta figure out, should I duct tape around here to keep the wires connected? I don't know, because once I start messing around with the tape, it's gonna get messy and it could make it worse yet. So at least it's charging. We can use it until our battery charger comes around Thursday or Friday of this coming week, time you watch this video. Let's take a quick peek outside. I'm actually staying in. You guys going outside with this camera here because I'm using the stick that was given to me by another subscriber. Look it out there. Woo! See how bad it is out there? That's pretty bad out there. Yeah. Let's bring you guys inside. It's cold out there. Okay, if I remember correctly, I do have a package coming in from Canada. As we talked about in last night's video, it was stuck at customs. It was going back and forth the border, according to the register. Well, when I went to bed last night, it scanned back into Detroit, and I woke up this morning. It's in Hopkins, Illinois. So the package I'm getting from a subscriber from Canada, it's in Hopkins, Illinois, as we're filming this. So we're getting it on Monday. So remember, we're filming a couple days ahead. So it'll be 2 days ago or whatever it might happen when you watch this video. Now, we did order a cell phone, and we got the key. But the problem is, we have to go out walking in that weather. But the boxes is towards the back end of the lot. So let's go out there right now. You want to come with me? It's going to be kind of brutal somewhat, but kind of calm down a little bit. So let's go out to the holding partial boxes. Ooh, this is a wet snow. Heavy wet snow. In some places it's drifted. So on our way to the partial boxes out here in this weather. Yeah. Oh man, what a mess. This is supposed to be spring, not winter. It's addressed to me, so we're good. Holy cow, that's a big box. Probably a smaller box inside of it, but that's a big box for a small cell phone, wouldn't you say? Let's get this inside. Yeah, you can see how snowing it is out there. Woo-wee! Snowing. Okay, so what do we do on a snowy day? Well, let's do an unboxing instead. This is the cell phone that I had ordered. We're still waiting for our Canada package to come through, and it won't be here till probably Monday, like I said earlier in the video. So let's just go ahead and unbox our cell phone. This is my new cell phone. They got what they call a 30-day plan for as low as $15. That's what it looks like. Talk, text, and data. That looks good because it's a it's It's not a, actually it's not an Android. It's a smartphone. So the plan is a little bit different, basically, than I'm used to. I got the case to go with it. And we got our chargers. And I think the batteries are already packed in the phone, I would say, because, yeah. Then I got my information, how to get it started. And we're going to charge it up and get it going. And hopefully we'll have a little practice video out of it. Miss Snowman made it home.
Yeah, guys, I didn't order this either.
Yeah, how bad is it out there?
Have you been out?
Yeah, because I had to go out to the
It
box.
got worse, you can't even see your footprints.
That bad?
Mister, move, I can't even see.
Okay. I guess she's right because she needs wipers for those new glasses of
I can't
hers.
see, guys.
Oh, yeah. Right now I'm working on the new phone and all that stuff. And we'll go out for a little walk after I do. You've probably already seen it anyway. Take you guys around town.
Yes, I'm not.
You be smart one to stay home finally. I'll head out this time. I'll break. She can't see. She's got new glasses. She can't see. Do a bigger cell phone test right here. This is from our cell phone, guys. This is from our new cell phone. Just kind of put this clip in to test out. We'll be heading out later after they walk in that snowstorm, and I think we'll just wrap up this video. Okay? Is that right? Right, Angie?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta go brave in the weather. Well, I guess you're not going out with me, huh?
You are going by yourself.
Okay, I just need some footage around town. Okay?
Be careful.
I will. Okay, make sure I got this on. I don't really need my flashing thing. We're going to film the next few clips with this thing, so we can try to save the power on this thing for maybe a couple more videos, hopefully. So we'll see you when we start filming on this camera. Looking down Winter Wonderlands at springtime. Yeah, exactly. Old Man Winter decided not to leave. But I looked at the forecast again. So it looks like all of this ain't gonna last long, which is good. Don't know what we'll do for the rivers and creeks when they start forecasting rain in the next couple days. Possibly 40s to 50 degrees Fahrenheit for highs for the next, starting tomorrow, believe it or not. So yeah, check out the tree situation right here. Is that pretty or not? Okay, I gotta focus while I'm walking, and we'll see in a little bit. Didn't get very far. Took me forever to get down to this street. I think we're gonna make an about face and head for home. This is difficult as it is. We'll try this walk some other time, but yeah, there's a lot of snow today. Okay, this is where I have to walk. I have to walk out here where it's plowed. I'm walking against the traffic right now. When I see an upcoming car coming, I just got done doing a live show on my cell phone, if you wanted to saw it, from Saturday. Yeah, it was difficult to walk. So we're gonna walk out here. I just got done, like I said, just got done doing a live feed from Saturday, by the time you watch this video, and that. And every time there's an oncoming car, we'll just walk into and stand like we used to do about 3 years ago, before they made this a 2-lane with a middle turning lane. Well, this used to be, believe it or not, this used to be a 4-lane at one time. So it is windy, it is blustery, blowing and drifting, and it was literally impossible to walk. So we're gonna head for home. And that's what we're doing right now. See you when we get home. Okay, I'm home. Kind of freezing, melting snow is melting off. How was what?
How was your walk?
If anybody saw my live feed, sorry about that. I forgot to turn it off. I finally figured out I got snow blindness. But we're staying home the rest of the night. You want to see how bad it is?
It got worse.
It got worse. It got worse out there. Look how bad it is out there. Woo-wee. It's going to be blowing and drifting for the rest of the night. I think we'll go ahead and wrap up the show. We're going to stay warm and toasty like I should have been. Okay? It gives me a chance to work on a few more apps with the phone. Yes, it's covered in snow, so I better dry it off. So, we'll work on some things. And I gotta make sure this stays charged. Keep my fingers crossed, because that device is coming Thursday or Friday. So we'll go ahead and wrap up the show and be safe out there. Okay, yeah, we're gonna stay home and stay warm.
Yes! He's not going for no more walks!
Until the snow is gone, and it'll probably be quickly too, because...
Oh yeah, I want to give a shout out to Mike.
Alright, special shout out to Mike. Yeah, I kind of talked to him while filming too.
Yeah,
And that, so...
he did.
And that, so shout out to Mike out there, and that. So, okay, we're gonna cut out of here too. We're gonna rest up. I'm worn out walking in that snow. I only walked like about barely a little over a half mile, maybe a mile.
Told you it was bad out.
10 inches of snow, but the problem was there was places you're walking about almost knee-high snow drifts. And I'm too old for that stuff. So that's why I came back home quickly. So I did not get any film downtown.
No, he might tomorrow.
Might tomorrow if my shoes and other stuff dries off and that. So right now we're going to go ahead and close out this show.
Yes. Oh, please like, share, subscribe. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you later.
Bye.